One of the main reasons of using Calcmenu is for recipe standardization. Standardization of recipes provides many benefits such as consistency and quality, taste and presentation each time a recipe is prepared and served. It increases consistency in production and reduces leftovers with more accurate planning. It also ensures that nutritional values per serving are valid and consistent. Purchasing is more efficient because of easy calculation and provides predictable information on the quantity of food inventory. Written standard procedures in the recipe make efficient use of labor time and allow for planned scheduling of food service personnel for the workday. Training costs are reduced because new employees are provided specific instructions for preparation in each recipe. Employees feel more satisfied and confident in their jobs because standardized recipes eliminate guesswork and increases production of only good, quality food products. Resize your recipes to suit any occasion. You can make use of helpful recipe procedures for each ingredient, for each step of a recipe, or as a whole text for the recipe procedure. The user can select which information should be included on the recipe sheets. Now, your recipe printouts are more detailed with information you actually use. Or we can create a customized layout to meet your exact requirements on how you work. Choose from a selection of various recipe sheet designs. In today's tough economic environment, keeping control of food costs is of utmost importance. Based on recipe yields, ingredient costs and quantities, wastage percentage, you will get accurate costs of goods for all your recipes and keep your company's edge with competitors. Once you have the cost of goods, we help you decide on selling prices. You can specify a fixed factor or food cost percentage that includes your overhead cost and margin. Get food cost reports and even periodical status of recipe prices to watch for. Create sub-recipes or basic preparation recipes. And use them as ingredients in other recipes. Changes made in those basic preparations will automatically reflect recipes using them. This saves you time and avoid errors or repeating the same basic recipes multiple times. Bakers have a particular way of writing recipes that is based on total percentage of flour. It makes the resizing process easier. It helps spot bad recipes or predicts how the recipe will turn out. Which will be dry, or too salty, or too sweet. It also allows the baker to print as an ideal guide during the baking process. Recipe sharing is all about saving time and promoting creativity, while getting authentic recipes from other chefs. Decide which of your recipes to share, and search or browse through lists of recipes from other chefs on your network. If a recipe is not in your language, the program shows you an automatic Google translation. Nutrients of recipes and menus can easily be calculated based on ingredient quantities and portion sizes. View nutrients per portion or serving and per 100 grams or milliliters. Nutrient calculation is based on reference tables such as USDA, BLS, ASA, Nubel, and others. Provide clear and accurate information to your customers about the nutrient content of your meals. Create balanced menus by monitoring nutrient content, caloric ratio, and other parameters. The nutrient module also gives you accurate GDA information and helps you monitor allergens and pseudoallergens. Use nutrients rules to conveniently search for healthy, low-fat, low-sodium, or other diet-specific recipes. HACCP. All food and beverage industries consider safety in food handling as a major priority. HACCP prevents and controls these challenges and other food safety concerns by minimizing food safety risks on the product. It allows food producers to offer safer products to consumers, protecting their health and lives. A feature in Calcmenu helps you regulate HACCP standards through recipe production, such as with cooking and storing temperatures. This helps improve product quality and consistency, reduce costs because of less product losses and rework, while protecting your business reputation and, in turn, avoid business liabilities. Calcmenu makes creation of a variety of labels easier for you, as the system automatically generates a list of ingredients or composition based on your recipes. Your labels can include pictures, barcodes, composition and nutrient information, prices, consumption dates, and other facts like the origin of your products, which may be interesting for your customers. Chefs are always on the go, so it can be difficult to teach them how to make uniform presentations of your signature dishes without having to instruct your new kitchen staff each time. Consistency in plating is essential. Define the presentation once, with descriptions and pictures, and have these instructions available for your staff as printed reports, or even from a kitchen monitor, to be easily accessed anytime. Menu planning helps you organize your menus. Forecast. Know what to buy and how much to buy with shopping lists, in bulk or for the day. Easily planning meals and menus for any given day and time. It helps in reducing wastage of food, look for alternative ingredients, and help in operations planning. The shopping list feature saves you a lot of time and effort in preparing your market lists. Mark your recipes and generate ingredient lists with their quantities and prices. If you're preparing an entire menu, you would probably want to see how much of a certain ingredient you will need to buy. Calcmenu calculates the quantity of the same ingredients, so you have one shopping list showing the totals for all the recipes you're preparing. It's so much easier to print and bring a list of what you will actually need. Menu engineering, also called menu sales mix analysis, allows you to find the right selling price for each menu item by analyzing sales, selling prices, and food cost. It shows you what items are more profitable and what items may be taken off the menu. It also shows what items are overpriced or what needs to be repositioned in the menu to gain more popularity. It points out what recipes should be changed to reduce portions or otherwise reduce costs in the menu items. Menu engineering gives you the food cost percentages, average food cost percentage of your entire menu, and classification for sales volume, food cost percentage, and contribution margins. Any site or hotel can work independently, but still share some information as required. The user interface can be changed depending on the user, and the recipes can be translated in multiple languages, and with different currency from around the world. Multi-unit systems, where recipes can be encoded in imperial or metric units, or a mix of both. Our solutions make collaborative work in a multicultural environment easy and convenient. Our customers have proven to have quick return on investment, lower food costs, increased revenue, and consistent quality. This leads to better customer service, decreased labor requirements, and optimized productivity. EGS has a 23-year experience providing customized solutions to its food industry partners. Go to www.eg-software.com to know more about our solutions. Or join us in Twitter or Facebook. We'll keep you posted.